Hello, children. Good morning. How are you all? We were eagerly waiting for you all to be in our presence, isn't it? So, luckily, we are back with our online classes, isn't it? So, children, first of all, happy Dashera to you all. So, we know that we this year we have not enjoyed our Dashera the way we were enjoying in the previous year, isn't it? So, whatsoever the goddess Durga has came to bless us all with lot of happiness, prosperity, success, and to win over all the evils whatever is there in this world. Okay, so let us be happy for that, and now we will start our chapter which was left behind. Half of the chapter was taught to you all, so let us continue from there. Okay, so the part which we have left is our page border. You can see the picture of the border in your screen in the over there. So we are going to learn how to make page border in MS Word. Children, you all know what is a border. When you write in a plain note copy, take an example of a geometry copy or a math copy, it is a blank page. We all draw the margin. Okay, similarly in computer also we are having the blank document, or we can say it's a blank page. So we have to draw the page border before we start writing in it, isn't it? Now, how to do the page border? First, you have to click on the design tab. Then step 2, click on the page border in the page background group. Step 3, choose the style, color and width for the border. And step 4, click on the OK button. Now children, you can see over there is a box style, shadow style, 3D style and the custom, isn't it? Now you can draw the colorful border also. Now to do the colorful border, you have to click on the art option over there. Okay, when you click on the art option, you will find a variety of border style will be present over there. Choose any one of the border style. Now you can see the example in your screen over there. Okay, so choose any one of the animation or any of the picture, and that will be added to your as a page border to your document. Okay, now this page border will make your document even more decent. Okay, without a border, if you're writing something, it will not be looking beautiful. Clear? So for that reason we are going to add it. Now the next that we are having is your printing the document. What do you understand by printing the document? Printing the document means getting the hard copy of it. That means whatever you have written in the computer, the hard copy will be in your hand. Okay, now we have to print the document with the help of the print command. Now this print command, you will get it from the file tab. Okay, from click on the file tab and you will get the print option. Now after clicking on the print option, you will get the print window screen in your computer. Now from there, do the setting, change the settings. That means how many page you want to make the printout and all. After that, you will be getting the hard copy of the document which you have created in your computer screen.